Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one is a Galaxy Blue Metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back. GLB 250 4MATIC badging. Power lift gate. Set to all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. Also included is our MBUX, which stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You can give it voice commands and it will do so. Dual climate controls, USB port, cup holders, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLB 250 has 5,432 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.